Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. Welcome back to the series of AI and automation. And today we'll be learning how to create the best curated LinkedIn curated post so that it complies with the LinkedIn policies and its search engine optimization guidelines. So I hope that you have watched our previous videos regarding how to generate the best hashtags, how to generate a catchy title for your videos, and how to generate uh, tags within 500 character limits for your YouTube uploads. How ChatGPT understands our prompts and what are the editing or what are the changes which we should do in case our prompt is not getting understood by ChatGPT the way we want it to understand. So without any further delay, we should start today's video, and it will be regarding the search engine optimization for LinkedIn. So as you see that LinkedIn posts are made by Zapier in my case, and I use it like almost every time. And I have a particular template which I use so that it gets as a caption for each and every post that is done. So you see that I check out my proper video, falana falana, USP is this, do subscribe for professional excellence. And there are some tags which will boost the SEO of this post. If someone will search for software tutorial, our videos will be there in the search results. So, what should we do now? First of all, you should have a LinkedIn profile where you will have to use that post, and a Zapier account where you will have to put that curated post caption. Next, you must have ChatGPT and log in with a Google account so that you get free 6 to 7 or minimum of 3 usage for ChatGPT in case you are uploading PDF or image file or MP4 files for analysis. In case of text, you will get 6 to 7 usage depending upon how much big your prompt and how much big your response you are getting and the token that is utilized by ChatGPT. So what we will write here is that I want to create a post template for LinkedIn company page, and it should company page. ठीक है, this is the first line. Keep your sentence as small and as simple as possible. Use multiple sentences, but keep it simple. And don't use and, however, nevertheless, furthermore, therefore, such things. Hereby, thereby, don't use that. Keep it simple. Post template for LinkedIn company page. The post should be catchy, professional, and should create a sense of story when the viewers read it. Next, what we want, the post should also be curated as per the LinkedIn standards. The post should follow the LinkedIn LinkedIn guidelines. Okay, the post should follow LinkedIn guidelines, and the character limits or any other limits specified by LinkedIn. Next, what we should give the prompt for, that read the channel description and uh, write a post for it as, and we will write as mentioned above. That will be auto corrected as mentioned above. And in the last part of the post, add, suggest hashtags which will increase my post's search optimization. Now we will add our my channel description. We will add my channel description and we'll go to our channel. We'll just open youtube.com. Then we will go to my channel, view your channel. Then we will go to more and you will see that we have created a about section of our channel. We'll just copy that. We'll go over here and we will paste it accordingly. And then we can add certain things like Android, Windows tips and tricks, industry ready concepts. Career will be, I am trying to make another some more videos later on for career, like for maintenance, for designing, etc. That will be later on. I am not getting the time for that. So AI has been segregated. So I will add one more, 5 AI and automation tutorial वीडियोस, इंडस्ट्री रेडी कॉन्सेप्ट्स। ये तो एक ही हो जाएगा ना, सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन, सॉफ्टवेयर हैंड्स ऑन, तो इसको हटा ही दो, इसको हटा देते हैं। We'll keep this and USP is this. Next, what we can add, some more info about my channel. I will add that I have created content. I have till now created content related to, and I will add a hyphen and write VMS service, Android tips, Siemens NX, complete tutorial, and mm, installation tutorials like Primavera, Siemens NX, SolidWorks, MS Office, etc. and etc. And I will write that VMS service, Android tips, tutorial videos for using Zapier, make.com, chat GPT, Copilot, etc. And then I will click on enter. So the prompt is the basic reference that ChatGPT has, through which it can give you a best curated answer as per your response. And you see that I'm using the same chat which I used for hashtags and tags, so that my prompts are into the system, are remembered by the system, and they are the reference so that ChatGPT can understand what I should write and what I should not write. So ever struggled with sorry software mastering a new tool? You're not alone. We at Proper Tech Tutorial we simplify etc. Setting up Siemens. We have got, so some of our achievements will be written over here. Zapier, make.com chat. We believe learning should be simple, accessible, etc. Join us on our YouTube and develop. Insert YouTube link. and there are certain hashtags which are there. So we'll just copy the same, copy it, and we'll just go it, and we'll go in our API, we'll go in Zapier, we'll go in the LinkedIn, the place where we mentioned the caption, we'll paste that, we'll mention the link for YouTube channel, and we are good to go. We will have a professional looking marketing optimized, search engine optimized post that will allow us to have more viewers, that will allow us to have much more viewer reach, and will allow us to grow digitally on YouTube or on our products or on our website. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and understood each and everything that was explained. Prompt is the thing that I will emphasize again. It is the most boring part, but it is the most important part of using ChatGPT. So if you like, do subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment your experience, your issues, your problems which you are facing in the comment section. You can also contact us on propertechtutorial@gmail.com, and we'll definitely get back to you. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.